Hello everyone, we're going to learn about multiplying with decimals today. So you need to remember the first thing you do when you multiply with decimals is you ignore the decimals. You're just going to pretend that they're not there, and we're going to treat this like a regular multiplication question, and we'll deal with the decimals at the end. So when you do a regular multiplication question, you start with the ones digit on the second number, and you multiply it by the ones digit of the first number. So 6 times 3 is 18, so we put down our 8 and carry our 1. Then we do the tens digit of the first number times the 1 digit of the second number. So 9 times 6 is 54. We add in our 1 we carried, and we write down 55. Your next step is very important. You want to remember to put your 0 in to hold the place value. Then you're going to transfer, and you're going to look at the tens digit of the second number. You're going to multiply that by the ones digit of the first number. So 4 times 3 is 12. So we put down our 2 and carry our 1. And then we go to the tens digit by the tens digit. So 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 1 is 37. So we write that down, and then we add them together. So we have 8 plus 0 is 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. We carry the 1, and we bring down our 4. So we have 4,278. And now we go back and we look at the decimals. So on 9.3, if we wanted to move the decimal from where it is to the end, that's 1 digit. If we go here, it's 1 digit. Put those together, and we moved the decimal two decimal places. So on the answer, we start on the right, and we move our decimal 2 places, and we put it down. So the answer to this is 42.78. Let's try one that's a little bit harder. So we have 0.78 times 3.1. So again, we're going to start, and we go 8 times 1 is 8. 7 times 1 is 7. 0 times 1 is 0. Put down your 0 to hold the place. 8 times 3 is 24. Carry your 2. 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 2 is 23, and 0 times 3 is 0. Really, you don't need the zeros in front, but if they help you, then put them in there. We're going to add. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. There's nothing to add to the 2, and we don't need the 0. So now we do the same thing. We go back and look at the decimals. So here we've got 2 spots, and here we've got 1 for a total of 3. So we're going to start on the right. 1, 2, 3. So your answer is 2.418. Last but not least, we're going to try one more. We're going to go into 3-digit by 3-digit multiplication. So again, we're going to start by multiplying everything by the 6, which is the ones digit. So 2 times 6 is 12. Carry your 1. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 1 is 49. Carry your 4. 7 times 6 is 42, plus 4 is 46. Get in your 0. Don't forget about that one. Then we're going to go to the number in the tens digit. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Carry your 3. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 3 is 31. Now we have to add 2 zeros to hold our place, and we go to our last digit, which is the 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 8 times 3 is 24. Carry your 2. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2 is 23. We add that together, and we get 2. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Plus 2 more is 9. Plus 2 more is 15. Carry your 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Plus 1 more is 6. Plus 4 more is 10. Carry your 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 3 is 7. And we bring down our 2. Now we'll go back up and look at our decimals. So we've got 2 spots here, 1 spot here, for a total of 3. We start at the right. 1, 2, 3, place our decimal, and our answer is 270.572. Hopefully this helps you with multiplying by decimals, and have a great day.